How to enable full screen on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable full screen on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera and then click on Opera here and then click this one, and now just go down until you find here full screen and click on it, and then just click enable. And as you see, full screen has been enabled. And if you want to turn it off, just click here and click disable. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.